What is your best sports companion? OWS Sports. The true sports earphones that unleash epic buzz-free sound. What we say might not capture it all. Let's hear what the sports lovers say.
I really enjoy cycling, especially when I ride with OWS Sports. The dual large-size speakers offer loud volume. The dual chips offer rich bass. OWS Sports delivers crystal clear sound quality even on the move. When I accelerate, wind noises increase. OWS Sports has a unique wind duct structure paired with its ENC algorithm. It brilliantly filters out wind noises, cranking up the excitement as I immerse myself in the beats. Press the OWS button. Chat with other riders at any time, anywhere.
As a gym lover, OWS Sports has become my go-to for workouts. Its firmware, high waterproof level and amazing sound quality make it my perfect fitness companion.
I love focusing on every climb. OWS Sports fits securely in my ears, no worries. And with the OWS button, I can easily switch tunes during a break.
I love OWS Sport that let me well hear my surroundings. Paired with the oladance app, I can customize my audio mode, making every run a truly immersive experience.
OWS Sports, dedicated to those athletes, warriors, fighters, sports lovers, and adventurers